Whenever you hear the word hacker, what comes to your mind? A criminal? A masked person? Or someone stealing money online? Today, I'll show you the real truth about hackers, because not all hackers are bad. If hacking was only illegal, then why do companies pay hackers lakhs of rupees? In this video, you'll learn different types of hackers, what each hacker does, and which hacker you should become. First, let's talk about white hat hackers, also known as ethical hackers. They are the good guys of cybersecurity. Companies hire white hat hackers to test their systems before criminals attack. Without white hats, online banking and apps would be unsafe. Now comes the dangerous one, black hat hackers. These hackers break into systems without permission. Their only goal is money, power, or revenge. This is cybercrime, and it's punishable by law. Gray hat hackers are somewhere between good and bad. They may hack without permission, but usually don't want to cause harm. Sometimes they report the vulnerability after hacking, but legally, this is still risky. Next are script kiddies. These are beginners who don't understand hacking deeply. Even without skills, their actions are still illegal. Hacktivists hack for political or social reasons. They attack websites to spread a message or protest. This is hacking driven by ideology, not money. Some hackers work directly for governments. They perform cyber spying, intelligence gathering, infrastructure attacks. These hackers are highly skilled and extremely dangerous. The most dangerous hacker is sometimes inside the company. An insider hacker already has access. They just misuse it. This is why companies monitor employees closely. So remember this. Hacking is a skill. Intent decides good or bad. Ethics matter more than tools. If you're learning cybersecurity, always choose the white hat path. Learn to protect, not destroy. Every expert hacker was once a beginner. What matters is your intention. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to CyberX Academy. Comment below. Which type of hacker do you want to become?